So good day guys, this is a video on how to make a simple chatbot using Python. So the first thing, you go to your Python compiler. So you create a variable, let's say first let's print user, print user. Then from the, say let's create a name. You're going to write a code of, let's say 3 lines only, or let's say 4 lines. Let's write a code of 4 lines. So name equals to input what is your name. Name is equals to put what is your name, then print name. So let's say bet here equals to input what is your bet here, age equals, then print 2020 minus int bet year. So any year you put there is gonna minus it from 2020 and give it the result of your age. So print 2020 minus int bet year. So you have to close this. Then let's put age equals to 2020 minus int bet year. So let's see our result a bit. Thank you, user. The name is at 99 21. So this it returns my age. So but here we have to put space. The main element of this stuff, you have to put a space here. So here let's print now. Let's print name